Today we're going to be trying out the Irobot Pet Series vacuum. We're going to be trying it out on carpet, wood floor, and laminate. Downstairs is 4 separate rooms. It's about 700 square feet. When the vacuum is done, it's supposed to return to its charging dock. We expect it to take about an hour. We're going to see how it works. Press clean, and it should do the rest of the work for you. After a little over an hour, the Irobot did return to its docking station. The pulse in orange indicates that it's charging. We'll see how much it cleaned up. And that's after we vacuumed with our regular shark vacuum. The Irobot picked up that much more.